Hi! It's been a while since I've done anything, so I'm back in bunny college again. I feel like the last video I filmed was in bunny college, but let me tell you, it's really comfy. So I'm filming this in January 2021. A lot of things have happened since I last filmed or even uploaded anything. I don't know when I'm going to get this up, if I'm going to get this up. So in December last year I went to an Angelic Pretty Paris tea party online, which was super fun, and as part of it they gave us all a what started out as €10 voucher ended up as €20, which was really kind of them, so we could cash it in on their web store, and it was to be used on non-sale products. Unfortunately, most of the things I wanted were in the sale, so what I've done is I've got a set of 2 items that were in the sale and a pair of socks, and the socks were €22.50, so I paid €2.50 for the socks and then bought everything else, and it just arrived today. It took, including a weekend, this has taken 4 days. Technically free because I ordered it really late in the evening after they closed, so it's arrived really fast from France. I didn't have to pay any extra customs. I know this is a concern in the UK after Brexit, that we were going to have to pay customs on items from the European Union. I didn't on this order. I don't know if that's going to be the case going forwards, but I have the note here that was in this bit, and I did not pay any customs, so let's get into it. There we go, an AP bag, like when I got Neon Star Diner, and everything's packed nicely in the bag. We're just going to go straight on in. First of all, I need to just cut. Do I want to cut? No, I don't want to cut. It's a sticker. Sticker. I feel like it was a sticker last time. So this is my second ever order from AP Paris. Oh hell yeah, that peeled. I might. There we go. I've got another Angelic Pretty sticker for my collection of Angelic Pretty stickers. I feel like that's a pretty common thing that people have, just like brand stickers. Oh, pretty. Okay, so that is my receipt. Nice. I saved a total of €65 on my whole order. I'm really hoping that I got the keychain. But yeah, girly sticker barrette in black, girly sticker one-piece cutsew in black, and the toe shoe over knee socks in white and silver, which I got to go with Misty Spy. Oh. So we've got the barrette and the event exclusive keychain, which is really cute. I'm not super into poodles, and it's a lovely poodle keychain. I wish it had been a Neon Star Diner keychain, I would have freaked out. But it's a lovely poodle. It says Angelic Pretty Paris at the bottom. It's a bit hard to see, but yeah, she's really cute. Like, I'm not mad. She's pink. Oh, poodle. So we'll start off with the bow. I feel like this releases a weird fabric. Oh, it's interesting. I don't know what that noise was, but that was a noise and a half from me. So there's the bow. It's a barrette style. Yeah, it's 100% polyester, and it's not a polyester I've had from AP before. Neon Star Diner is really different. It's like really stiff. This is like soft, kind of thinner. But yeah, there's no like super cute features on this. I think I got the last one as well. Sometimes you end up with like things in really cute places, but it's got the edge of the letter and the sugar heart. This letter's been popping up like in AP's current stuff, which I'm quite happy with. I think it's really cute. They did a pochette that went with lovely poodle that was just the letter. So I'm going to get the socks before we go on to the main event. There are the toe shoe over knees. These were the last ones I had in stock. Bought the last pair of socks of this design. I really wanted the Noble Collection socks as well, but they sold out. They sold out. So, packaging in a box. Those are my toe shoe over knees in silver. Very pretty. I've been wanting some of these. I have some replica ones that I got from Cutesy Cake, I think, before they closed down. There's some pink ones. So I wanted the real deal at some point. Brand new socks. I've got the girly sticker socks coming from Macari because a friend ordered them for me. And then the main event girly sticker. So I've been calling this girly stick for like a week solid, and I don't know where I got that from. Oh, it's so soft. Yeah, I mostly got this because I wanted to twin with my friend Hannah, who has the pink. Girly sticker. Oh, that's cute. So it's got... Oh, that's interesting. So on their cutsew OP hoods, they have like a mesh lining. I don't think my camera's picking it up very well, but this has like a very pale pink mesh on the inside. Girly sticker has it as well, but it's behind a layer of the print fabric, so you can feel it, but you can't see it. It's got a little ruffle around the hood. It's very soft. I've been a little worried about this bodice. I don't think that's going to go anywhere near covering my bust, but we're going to find out. It's got a bow on the front that's detachable. We'll take that off. There's the bow. I can't remember the name of this bear. I'll try and remember it. It's good. Annoyingly, the ticket, which is like my favourite part, is on the back. And we've got the It's a Girl ribbon on the front, a birthday cake, another birthday cake. It's very like Smiggle meets Barbie, and I'm very here for it. And there's the rest of the print. It's an all over scatter print, and it's got cute polka dot tulle trim that's upside down. Now I look at it. So it's little hearts, but they're upside down compared to the way the dress is made. Well done, AP. Congratulations. So yeah, it's just got normal like sweater sleeves. But yeah, that's really cute. I'm hoping it'll fit me. It looks like it's big enough to fit me in terms of like actually going around me. So I will find out and I will come back. Okay, so I'm gonna like I forgot to put my glasses back on. Okay, so I'm gonna say girly sticker's not a total flop. It's not a fit that everyone will enjoy though. So this is above my bust. This is the waist. I think it goes down to like a under bust if you're smaller than me. There's definitely like a middle ground where it sits a bit awkwardly. I've had one friend who's like, yeah, it's straight across my middle, but on me I'm actually kind of enjoying this vibe. I've not got a petticoat on. I think it'll be different when I have, but I'm kind of enjoying the like sleeve vibe. We've got the little barrette. There's the hood up. This is a good size. I found Bunny College was huge when I first put it on. It was like, it had like this like outer rim. But no, I'm actually really happy with this. It's a bit of a different cut, but I mean like the high waistline of Regency is really popular at the moment, so maybe I can get away with this like Smiggle meets Barbie meets Claire's accessories hell. Now I've got it on, we can actually see the print a bit better too. So hello, I'm going to just show you my dress. It's got 2 layers, no need to worry. We have an underlayer. This outer like poly chiffon layer, super cute print, super cute. There's no trim on the bottom of this one, and that's the inside. So yeah, I think girly sticker, good rating. I'd give it like a 9 out of 10. AP Paris, once again, a 10 out of 10. Thank you for watching, and when I lose my bow, I will see you next time.